Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, our Keynote speakers. Welcome to the tutorial of how to connect to ICCEE 2021 conference as Keynote on Google Meet. So first you have to go to your browser and you have to use the Google Meet ID given to you and paste it in the browser and go to the link. You will be asked to sign in. So if you are already a Google Gmail user or you have any other email ID that can be opened through Google, you just enter that. For example, for me, I'll be using my credentials at UET Peshawar. Clicking next, I'll put my password as well. Clicking next, I will be allowed to join the meeting. You'll be asked to allow your microphone and the camera, and you have to allow both. So once permitted, you can first start the meeting with or without microphone and camera. So I will mute the microphone and the camera as well at the moment. Then you will click join now. Once you have joined, you will see the screen shared by the conference chair with you. Here you will be able to see all the proceedings of the conference as they proceed. Once you will be asked to go ahead with your keynote speech, you can click on the present now button at the bottom and share the window of your PowerPoint slide by clicking a window button and then selecting the presentation you want to share. Once you click that, the screen will be covered with your presentation. You can now click on the slideshow button at the bottom in your PowerPoint or press F5 to play the presentation. Once you are done with the presentation, you can click on stop sharing at the bottom to stop the presentation. Then you have to go back to your browser on the Google Meet link where you were presenting and then proceed with the question answer sessions for your talk. Then you may remain connected throughout the conference to listen to all talks. Once completed, you can click on the leave call button at the bottom or simply close the browser from the top to exit the conference. Thank you, and we look forward to listen to you on 8th of October. Assalamu alaikum.